Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
PowerPoint allows you to insert a video onto a slide and play it during your presentation. Now, to insert a video from a file, just go to the Insert tab, then click the video command, and from here click Video on my PC. Now, from your PC, go to where your video is at, then select it and click Insert, and the video will be added to the slide. Now, if you want to resize a video, just click and drag the corner sizing handles to resize it to your desired size, and you'll notice that the corner sizing handles will resize a video while preserving its original aspect ratio. Now, if you use the side sizing handles, it will become distorted. As you can see, I'm distorting my video by using the side sizing handles, but that's how you resize a video in PowerPoint. Now, if you want to preview a video, just click the video to select it, then click the play pause button below the video, and the video will
Microsoft
begin playing.
Word is a word
And the
processing
timeline next to
application
the
that
play pause
allows you
button
to
will
create a
advance.
variety of
Now you can
documents,
jump to a different
including
part of the
letters,
video by clicking
resume
anywhere on
documents.
the timeline.
It also has important features.
Now, to move a video, you can just click and drag to move it wherever you want to use in your slide, and then you release it. If you want to delete a video, just select it, then click the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. So I'll press delete and it's deleted. If I undo that by pressing Ctrl Z, click the backspace key, it will also be deleted. So I'll undo that, Ctrl Z. Now let's look at editing and formatting videos. Now let's say you want to trim a video. Again, first select the video that you want to trim, then click the playback tab. Then from here, select the trim video command. Now a dialog box will appear. Use the green handle, this one, to set the start time, and the red handle to set the end time. So I want the video to start from around here. So I'll set that as my start time. I'll let the end time remain the same. Then once you're done, click OK. And as you can see, your video will start from where you wanted it to start. Now you can add in fade in and fade out effects. So from the playback tab and the editing group, you can use these arrows to add the duration or to reduce in these two effects. You can also add a bookmark in your video. Just click the timeline to locate the desired part of the video that you want to bookmark. So I can select, let's say this is where I want to bookmark. So select that on your timeline, then click the add bookmark command, and a bookmark will be added. Now we have these video options over here. Now first we have the volume. It changes the audio volume for the video, so it can be low, it can be high, it can be mute. You can select whichever you want. Then we have the start command here. Now it controls whether the video will start automatically or on click of a mouse. Then we have the play full screen command. Now this lets the video fill the entire screen while playing, that is during presentation. So you can choose to check that or uncheck that. Then we have the hide while not playing. Now this will hide the video when not playing, and you can choose to add it by checking it or unchecking it to remove it. Then we have loop until stop command. Now this replays the video until stopped. And then lastly, we have the rewind after playing. Now this returns the video to the beginning when it is finished playing. If you want to add any of these, just check them or uncheck them if you want to remove them. So I'll leave mine like that.